Today, I'm going to give you a detailed review of Netspend, using a prepaid MasterCard along with an accompanying mobile application available for both iOS and Android. Netspend is a prepaid card service that provides a convenient way to manage your finances, similar to PayPal's offerings. One notable advantage is its accessibility, with various sign-up options including referral programs and partnerships with rewards applications like Inbox Dollars and Swagbucks. One of the standout features of Netspend is its mobile check deposit feature, allowing users to deposit checks directly from their smartphones. However, it's important to be aware of the associated fees, which typically range from $3 to $4 per transaction. Accessibility and sign-up options. Netspend stands out for its user-friendly sign-up process, which offers multiple avenues for creating an account, whether through referral programs, in-store purchases, or partnerships with rewards applications. Netspend makes it easy for users to get started. These diverse sign-up options cater to different preferences and ensure that individuals can access the service conveniently. Mobile check deposit feature. The mobile check deposit feature is a game changer for many Netspend users. By allowing checks to be deposited directly from smartphones, Netspend streamlines the banking experience, saving time and effort. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals who prefer managing their finances on the go, or who may not have easy access to traditional banking services. Fee structure and overdraft charges. Understanding the fee structure is crucial when considering any financial service, and Netspend is no exception. While the convenience of mobile check deposits is undeniable, users should be aware of the associated fees, which can vary depending on the transaction type. Additionally, the overdraft charges with Netspend All Access accounts require careful management to avoid accumulating unnecessary fees. Being mindful of these fees and planning finances accordingly can help users maximize the benefits of Netspend while minimizing costs. Money transfer and flash IDs. Netspend's money transfer capabilities, facilitated through flash IDs, offer a convenient solution for peer-to-peer transactions. This feature enables users to send and receive funds quickly, enhancing the flexibility and utility of the service. Whether splitting bills with friends or sending money to family members, Netspend's money transfer feature simplifies the process and reduces the need for traditional cash transactions. Customer service experience. A positive customer service experience is essential for any financial service provider, and Netspend strives to deliver on this front. While occasional issues may arise, such as temporary account blocks for security reasons, users can expect prompt and effective resolution through Netspend's customer support channels. Whether through phone, email, or live chat, Netspend aims to address user concerns efficiently, ensuring a smooth banking experience. Conclusion and recommendations. Netspend offers a comprehensive prepaid card solution with a range of features and benefits. From its user-friendly sign-up process to its convenient mobile check deposit feature and robust money transfer capabilities, Netspend caters to diverse financial needs. However, users should be mindful of the associated fees and overdraft charges, ensuring responsible usage to maximize the benefits of the service. Overall, Netspend represents a reliable option for individuals seeking a flexible and convenient banking solution. Feel free to share your experiences and insights on Netspend in the comments below. And stay connected with the latest updates and promotions by following Netspend on social media.